Now, let's look at this question. A projectile is thrown upward so that its distance above the ground after t seconds is this function. That's h of t, this one, equals negative 12t squared plus 456t. The equation right here. After how many seconds does it reach its maximal height? We know here this hyperbola, this is negative sign in front of 12. So the open direction for the parabola is downward. Now, here is the animation. When we threw the object into the sky and then it goes upward first, then goes downward. So if you input this equation, this function into the decimal, they will draw this red picture for you. And here is for the animation. So if you click on that, it shows you it goes in this way. You may play one more time. So you can see from 0 to 38, from 0 to 38, it will go from the ground up to sky and then goes down. So it will take 38 seconds for the object to reach the ground again. Then from 0 to 38, right here, then in the middle will be 38 divided by 2, which is 19 seconds. So you can see when you play here, okay, here is 19.64. You may do is changing this one to 0. You hit the enter. Then you see that will be the highest point. Okay, so here will be 19 seconds. That will be the correct answer. Mathematically, how do you do that? Here you have a negative 12t squared and then plus 456t. And here is the height, which depends on the different time. When t is 0, that means 12 times 0 squared is 0, so this one is 0. 456 times 0 is 0. So this tells us the height is right here. Is right here. So this is also height is 0. Okay, so you will be set the height be 0, and then you will have a pull t out. Then you may also pull negative 12 out. Then inside here you have a t. And you have a 456. After you pull it out, you then have a negative 38. T is out, so you have that. If you do the division, 456 divided by 12. What do you get? You have here is 3, here is 36. So here is 9. So 96. And then you have 8. 2 times 8 is 16. And 1 times 8 plus 1 is 96. So you then get 0. Okay? So here, when you pull 12t negative out, negative 12 times negative 38, you will have a what? You will have this number. And then negative 12t times t, it goes back to this one. Okay, again, negative 12t times 38 gives you this one. So you do factoring. Pour this negative 12t out. So then you will have a t minus 38 is 0. This will give you t is 38. Of course, negative 12t equals 0 will give you t is 0. So you know this t is 38 seconds. And then that's from here to here. But again, in the middle from 0 to 38, then that will be the highest point. Then it's going to be 19 seconds. Okay? So the correct answer is this one. All right? I'll see you next time.